If you're gonna mount your license plate directly to the metal on the back of your car, then you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm about to put my license plate on the back of my car here, and I've noticed I don't have a license plate bracket here. So it's basically just going to be screwed into the sheet metal right on the back here. Now, this has little plastic grommets there, so it'll float it out maybe a millimeter. But one of the things that I didn't want to have happen is actually have this aluminum or tin or sheet metal or whatever kind of flopping around, maybe making some noise, maybe scratch up the paint here. So I picked up this. It's by Car Fun. We can have fun in cars, and it's a little foam pad that has adhesive on it to apply to the backside of your license plate. So it gives it a little bit of insulation and a little bit of protection for your car. So let's put it on and see if it works. So it actually comes in a 2-pack, so you can just kind of peel it off. You can see how it's cut out here. It's the same shape as the license plate, but then we also have these little slots here that you can punch out where the holes for your screws will go. So those won't interfere either. So I'm just going to pull this off and apply it to the back of my license plate. So I was really aligning it with the license plate here. It looks like I got carried away because it looks like it's a little bit smaller, so you're not going to have to worry about the foam peeking out, but you can see those holes are going to be nice, so I don't have to drill through them. So now I just apply the license plate and we should be done. So there it is, installed with this little foam backing, and this is pretty nice. So now I don't have to worry about these kind of flapping around and hitting the paint and chipping it up or scratching it up or anything like that. And for a lot of cars, we only have the screws at the top. So if the bottom of your license plate floats like this and moves around, now I don't have to worry about that also hitting my paint too. So if a simple little product like this, a little foam pad that goes onto the back of your license plate, is going to make your life a little better, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.